Hello friend, how are you? Today I came with a new video on how many body systems are there in human being. Explain all in brief. So let us start the video. There are 11 types of body system in our body. They are nervous system, respiratory system, digestive system, circulatory or cardiovascular system, urinary system, excretory system, reproductive system, skeletal system, muscular system, endocrine system, lymphatic or immune system, integumentary system. First, nervous system. Component of nervous system are brain, spinal cord, nerves, and special sense organ like as the eye, ear, nose, skin. Function of nervous system is regulate body activity through nerve impulses by detecting changes in internal and external environment. Interpret the changes, responding to the changes, causing muscular contraction of glandular secretion. Common diseases associated with nervous system are stroke, meningitis, neuritis, depression, and schizophrenia. Respiratory system. Component of respiratory system are lungs and airways, which comprises of nose, sinuses, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi, bronchioles, alveoli. Function of respiratory system are to supply oxygen and remove carbon dioxide from body, maintain the acid-base balance of the body, produces vocal sound. Common diseases associated with respiratory system are upper respiratory infection, lower respiratory infection, pneumonitis, asthma, and tuberculosis. Digestive or gastrointestinal system. Component of digestive system are GI tract that comprises of mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and rectum. Associate organ of digestive system are salivary gland, liver, gallbladder, and pancreas. Function of digestive system are physical and chemical breakdown of the food into glucose and get absorbed, and finally elimination of solid waste material. Common diseases associated with digestive system are peptic ulcer, gastroesophageal reflux disease, enteritis, gastroenteritis, hepatitis, pancreatitis. Circulatory or cardiovascular system. Component of circulatory system are blood, heart, blood vessel. Blood vessel comprises of artery, arteriole, capillaries, venules, veins. Function of circulatory system: to distribute oxygen and nutrient to the cell, remove carbon dioxide and waste product away from the cell, maintain acid-base balance of the body. White blood cell and lymphocyte protect against disease. Common diseases associated with circulatory system are myocardial infarction, hypertension, and heart failure. Urinary or excretory system. Component of urinary system are kidney, ureter, urinary bladder, and urethra. Function of urinary system are eliminate waste through urine, regulate volume and chemical composition of blood, regulate fluid electrolyte balance, maintain acid-base balance and calcium balance of the body. Also regulate red blood cell production. Common diseases associated with urinary system is urinary tract infection, renal failure, urethritis, renal colic, benign prostatic enlargement. Reproductive system. Component of reproductive system are organ, that is testes and ovary. Testes in male, ovaries in female. Fallopian tubules in female and epididymis, vag differences and penis in male. Function of reproductive system is to reproduce organism. Common diseases associated with reproductive system are urethritis, infertility, endometriosis, erectile dysfunction. Skeletal system. Component of skeletal system are bones, cartilage, and joint. Function of skeletal system is to support and protect the body structure, help in body movement. Bone marrow form red blood cell, white blood cell, and platelet. Bone store mineral like calcium. Common diseases associated with skeletal system are osteoporosis, osteoarthritis, osteomyelitis, and fracture. Muscular or skeletal muscle system. Component of muscular system are all skeletal muscle of the body. And function of the muscular system are to participate in body movement, maintain posture of the body, produce heat during exercise, smooth muscle, control the movement of material in the body associated with organ of heart. Common diseases associated with muscular system: myalgia, myasthenia gravis, myositis, rhabdomyosarcoma. Endocrine system. Component of endocrine system are all hormone producing gland, pituitary, thyroid, parathyroid, thymus, adrenal, pancreas, ovary in female and testes in male. Function of endocrine system are to regulate various body activity through substance called hormone. Common diseases associated with endocrine system are diabetes, myasthenia, gigantism. Lymphatic and immune system. Component of lymphatic and immune system are lymph node, and vessel, white blood cell, T cell, and B cell. Function of lymphatic and immune system are: immune system destroy and remove invading microbe and viruses. Lymphatic system transport fat from the intestine and excess fluid from the tissue. Common diseases associated with lymphatic and immune system are allergy, lymphomia, lymphoadenopathy, filariasis. Integumentary or soft and soft tissue system. Component of integumentary or soft and soft tissue system are skin and derived structure like hair, nails, sweat gland, and oil gland. Soft tissue, that is subcutaneous tissue, that is tissue lying underneath the skin. Function of integumentary system are to regulate the body temperature, prevent the entry of disease-causing germ, eliminate waste through sweat, produce vitamin D, receive certain stimuli like pain, temperature, and pressure. Common diseases associated with integumentary or soft and soft tissue system are dermatitis, erysipelas, candidiasis, tinea corporaceous. Thank you for watching.